we are working on some laminate.
It's pretty nice. Where'd you buy this?
In at Floor Decor in Austin.
Cheaper?
Yeah, you can find it, yeah.
Why is it got that bottom?
It has a pad on it, so
Sound?
we're not putting a ladder here because it's a second story, it's wood. You don't really have any moisture, so it's wood.
But that's for sound or what?
Yeah, and protection, yeah, it's for something. More shear. We're gonna find out if it works. If not, we'll get our money back.
So where are we?
We're inside a secret room that I have on site. It's my living room. My living room, kitchen, and my Barndominium that we're finishing up. Hopefully we can be moved in within a month. We have cabinets built, so we're trying to lay the floor so we can bring in cabinets, install doors. The electrician should be coming in about probably next week sometime. The AC guy and plumber. So we need to hurry up and install these cabinets so we could get them in here and now we get it done. But yeah, we're doing laminate flooring right now. And we were cutting with this circular saw. And as you can see, it makes a big old mess. It gets all over you because of the pad.
Is that pad? That's crazy.
The pad at the bottom makes a mess. So when you cut it with the saw,
That's pretty cool. I've never seen that before.
yeah, it makes a mess. So we went and bought this little tool at Lowe's.
Flooring sheet.
It cuts up to, I think, half an inch. Is it here somewhere?
Yeah,
That's from 0 to half an inch. So
Measure.
I believe this what we have here is a 12 millimeter. So it should cut it. We're hoping.
That's pretty cool.
Made in the USA.
Like you.
Even better. I think everything should be made in the USA.
Nah, that's pretty nice.
Yep.
Marshalltown.
I'm proud of that label there. Made in the USA. Anyway, we're gonna try this out.
It's a nice view. I've never really been up here to see it.
Yeah, my dad was like, wow, that's a nice view.
Pretty.
Yeah. I think once we get that RV out of the way and get the windows cleaned out, it'd be a lot nicer.
That's pretty though.
Like it? Drinking my coffee here in the morning. I'm ready for work. So, let's open this box up.
So, is this unboxing time with Joe?
Yeah. Got me a Leatherman Surge. Good little handy tool you can carry. It's awesome.
I thought it flipped up.
I thought it would flip up. But apparently,
It is not. Oh, that thing's kind of little.
it is little.
Wow.
Looks pretty sturdy. Pretty heavy. It's not generic, I'll tell you that. Let's see what we need. Break time. We'll put them here, the ones
For the big
this
lip.
side, go over there. So we can start again. So let's cut these three.
Use them.
We're gonna cut these three.
We never showed how the machine worked. Wow.
Because it has a liner in the back. We almost cut through. Oh, we have a knife here. Next one.
Very nice.
So fast.
Okay, we're gonna do time lapse. Time lapse time. It's going by pretty fast now.
Yeah. Pretty fast.
What you think? Yeah. You want to be on the camera? I'm sorry. It's pretty good.
It was worth every penny.
Yeah, for real. That way it doesn't make all that mess.
You know the best part about this? Made in the USA.
Yeah. Looks good. That's a lot.
Not bad for Mexican.
For Mexican.
I think we can finish this whole floor today. I'm just saying this in. No, we can get more. I want to start bringing up cabinets. I feel like the camera keeps following me.
Sorry.
I feel like paparazzis are all over around me. We're gonna have a cooktop here, and then the sink's gonna go there, and then the dishwasher in the middle. Yeah, my wife wanted a dishwasher. So whenever it goes out, we'll have it. sitting area here, and then it would extend into like a dining. Oh, look at these, babe.
Oh my goodness. Look like a big old gash.
Yeah, it doesn't start that easy. It's going wrong. It was him. There is a little piece that we have to patch up really quick.
Where was it? Oh, right there.
Yeah, you missed that piece.
I mean, what's this small little break that you see that? Man, this floor is beautiful. I love it. I love the color. It's amazing. Nice.
I like the way it looks with the top.
The beams.
Yeah, the roof, the ceiling. That's pretty. So recap. What happened when I was gone?
Well, my worker decided to leave for like 4 hours. My helper. And I came to realize that he's the one that actually does all the work.
So what were you doing with the doors? What were you doing with the doors?
No, we're making holes for the recess lights.
Oh. It's okay. What is that?
It's a return.
A return?
Returns the air back. The hot air.
Yeah.
Pulls it, returns it, pulls it, comes out, pulls it, comes out, comes back, just returns it. Let's move it. I'm not talking.
Okay, I deleted
I'm
it.
not gonna incriminate myself.
This is for Ornan.
Hi Orlin, how you doing? What's up, bro?
Pretty cool. To go like that so that it doesn't fall?
Yeah.
That's cool. Where'd you buy that?
Home Depot.
Where?
Yeah, so we're drilling the hole for the recess lights. That way the electrician won't make a mess on it and install all that. And we like some painting this barn door and the closets. We'll do that possibly to the primary tomorrow and paint following day. And then we'll start bringing up cabinets. So it's going good. Hopefully we can get this floor up, finished up maybe by tomorrow. So going good.
She said today. The boss man said today. What do you do?
Quick.
It'll be done today.
Yeah, now it's so. Have you seen a Milwaukee bit with the DeWalt drill? Gotta mix it up there. Gotta mix it up.
Huh? Wow. And that, wait, that whole thing's Milwaukee?
This is the Milwaukee.
Wait, that whole thing?
Yeah, this whole bit right here.
Oh, really?
is Milwaukee.
I didn't know that.
So then this is the DeWalt drill. Gotta mix it up.
I know. What are you doing? What's going on there?
DeWalt. I've never seen it before.
So you're saying DeWalt's got to step up their game, huh?
Huh?
You got to say DeWalt's got to step up their game, huh? Is that what you're saying?
I mean, I'm a DeWalt guy.
And there's a Festool right there, though. So what's that
I
about?
don't know. I mean,
DeWalt, Festool, Milwaukee.
bro, when it comes to woodworking,
Best tool.
best
ever.
tool.
Yep.
This is
That's
some
the
good
best
stuff
thing.
here.
When it comes to carpentry,
When
you
you
said?
go best tools, you don't want to go back.
You agree? Yeah?
Oh, she loves the sanding. She
Yeah.
loves to sand with that thing.
I don't get dirty.
No?
You
That's
don't-
why you like it, huh?
It's some amazing tools. I give you that. Amazing tools. I mean, I've always used the wall. Since I was young, I've always used the wall.
Affordable, right?
Well, I started with Ryobi actually when I first started.
Really?
When we went to the water, I just became a DeWalt guy.
Why?
But now, why? Just did.
It's because you always had them, or
Well,
because
no,
like?
at that time when I started buying DeWalt, Milwaukee really didn't have like their miter saws or table saws, all that.
DeWalt did though.
So DeWalt did. So I started buying DeWalt, and I wanted to stick to one brand. I just stuck to DeWalt. But now that I've tried Festool, I bought this.
Oh,
router.
that's the premium stuff, huh?
Well, this is German technology here, bro. This is some good stuff.
No dust at all.
No dust at all.
Nope.
That
You got
vacuum's pretty good.
You got your American products kind of,
American, yeah.
or like I could say like a GM car,
Yeah, yeah.
Cadillac, and then you got your Mercedes, Audi, Porsche right here.
Orange. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That's some high-end stuff.
Yeah. Is it worth the price?
Worth every penny.
Yeah?
Worth every penny.
Worth every penny.
Every.
That's a lot of pennies right there.
You better be worth
Yeah. Thousands of pennies.
thousands of pennies.
You want the
Yeah, I
lights?
had already marked everything before the electrician
Yeah.
came in, so they could wire. I marked it for them, and then now I'm just drilling it up, making holes.
Making hells.
So they won't get it dirty. And
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they don't use stuff like this. They don't care. It's like,
Yeah.
whatever. That battery going dead on. It's stuck, man.
So you want me to go give him my Makita? I can. It's okay, Joe. I won't say anything.
I'll try it, bro. And if it drills good, I might become a Makita.
Yeah? Oh yeah. Is that a bet for
Let's
him?
put it to the test. Let's put it to
I'm a smaller battery too. And I'll still do it.
It's not gonna bog down.
Ah, I think it'd be good. You try it? For sure. No, you have it on hammer. Gee, wow, show, come on. This is high tech stuff.
Even move.
Joe, this is high tech stuff. This is not
Doesn't even move.
photo show, Joe. Do I need to do it for you?
Yeah, do it.
Alright.
Let's see.
Let's see.
It cuts.
That's pretty neat. I like that. That laser's pretty cool.
See.
Gotta feel it out. Gotta see which one feels best.
Put
Oh.
a regular battery.
Ahí están las batteries. I brought you
I was gonna put it in the trash, but
Thank you for not doing that. This thing's hot too.
you know what? Honestly, well, this is really kind of messed up. I mean, I could go get another drill because this one's old, bro, and it's already.
You can smell it.
Yeah.
It burnt out.
Yeah, I've used it for that. So that's another thing. I mean, it smells. Yeah, that's like a baby.
your baby.
Oh, 4 amp. That's a big 4 amp. Yeah, it's huge.
And now they cover all these.
She's a little older. It's okay.
Very, smell that.
I know. I did.
I smell it.
Smells pretty burnt.
Hey, that's your pretty nice little driller.
Not too bad, huh? You want to use it? Feel free. Feel free to use it. It's no problem.
Finish with this one.
Okay, okay.
Finish strong.
Yeah, finish. You got this.
Oh, it's because that's slimy.
Oh, cause it's loose.
Oh, mira, why? I mean, didn't do too bad. But that mojito was pretty strong, but
And smells like new.
Smells like new, huh?
You got two of them? You sure?
I mean, I like it, but I mean, this is an old drill. Had it since 2000.
So you're saying you're gonna need a new one to compare?
Well, I mean, I have some newer ones there.
Newer or new?
Newer, right? About
What?
that age.
That age? Okay.
2016. This battery is from 2014. Not that this battery was made in 2014. I probably had it that long. So how many years is that?
That's a good wow.
And it's still going, so I can't complain. I've done many jobs with this. I have a lot of investment into one. I just can't start throwing everything away and changing.
Well, you don't have to throw away.
Unless, Milwaukee starts sending me some new stuff.
Milwaukee or Makita, you mean?
Makita? No,
Makita?
Milwaukee.
Makita?
I'll probably go to Milwaukee
No.
instead of Makita.
Joe, what are you doing?
Look at the difference.
Oh, the gears.
Yeah, I mean, this is old.
Do you have any brushless?
I think I might.
Well, now we know. Now we know you need to get new ones.
Oh, really? Let's do it. Let's start getting some boxes over here.
Ready?
Actually, we can leave them
Yeah,
and just
these
sell them
too.
from there. Oh, we got these.
Yeah, we have these right here.
Alright, let's take these.
How are you gonna transition into the next clip? Okay. Well, you gotta get something so we can, when we pick this video back up, we'll be somewhere else.
Okay, so what?
So like, you know how like we're gonna stop it here, and then we're gonna pick it up, and it might be 2 hours from now. How do we get from here to there? Like, what do you do to the? Okay.
How do we do that?
I don't know.
I don't either.
I don't know what to do.
I don't either.
Okay.
We had a long day.
It was a long day, yeah.
And we got a lot of confidence up. It beats using a circular saw. Plus, you save a lot of the mess.
Also, too, when you started using the Makita, man, that helped.
Yeah, so anyways, as you can tell, my light, the wall. The wall. Anywhere you look, you're gonna find the wall. The wall. Check out this tag.
Tattoo. The wall. The wall.
I have no tattoos. Accomplished a lot thanks to Gabriel and my wife. That is such a hard worker. I don't know where I would be if it weren't for my wife. She's amazing. She really has that whip.
You holding them?
She has that whip on me. She's good. Yeah, she does good. So, until next time, we'll continue on this floor. Another day. We're exhausted. The sun's gone down already.
Sun's gone. I know when we stopped the last clip, the sun was up.
The sun's gone down.
Sun's gone.
But we got a lot done. She
Yeah.
wants me out of our RV.
It's all gone. She wants to get out of the RV, ready to get into
You
the.
don't want to close it up, babe. I'm done.
Finish your room.
He's like, oh yeah. That looks good.
Or I thought you said you wanted to do the closet.
No, before. No, it's not gonna silicone.
No, I'm talking about the wood. It moves. Go back and it's that. You see?
No, we're not. I'm gonna put silicone and then it'll hold it down once I put everything. That's gonna look cool. All the little threads out like that. That's gonna be nice.
I put it
Till
on
I fall and bust my head open.
I saw like a little pretty cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
Babe, when you close this window.
Sí, patroncito. Bro, I'm pretty impressed with what we got done today.
Sí, señor.
Yeah.
So till next time, huh?
Till next time.
Till next time.
Till the next episode.
Alright, next episode.
Hey,
What's up?
your drill.
Yes, sir.
Your uncle would probably beat you.
Probably. It's something cool.
I think it's gonna look nice. I don't know. You want to make sure you don't put gates in there. It'll kill the plants. The backwash will kill the plants.
Oh, we need to turn off the light.
Yeah.
Alrighty, bro.
Let's shower early and go out.
Yeah, go nang nang.